就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Icrt客家風 on Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, we're trying to help you out by teaching you the phrase help. 帮忙怎么说？
天數。
天數 OK， 我们到处每一天呢都是需要可能有人帮忙，或者有人需要我们的帮忙。
对，
那今天呢就比较这个生活一点好了。
家人也需要帮忙啊。
对，有一些家人特别不喜欢倒垃圾。
对啊，好像是谁谁谁的工作一样哦。
然后很多人去倒垃圾还要化妆
我觉得不会，来追车都来不及，还化妆呢。
Anyways, we're teaching you the phrase to help, right? Help 怎么说？
天數。
天數 And today's situation is about helping maybe a family member or your friend to take out the trash, okay? 可以请你帮忙去倒垃圾吗？
做得搶天數。
做得搶天數。
去倒垃圾麼？
去倒垃圾麼？垃圾就是垃圾 ，OK, that's trash. 哎呀，这个时候我可能会有点那种不急啊，垃圾车也还没来啊。
就是有你這種人。
No rush, the garbage truck isn't even here yet.
是急吧？
是急吧？
垃圾車。
垃圾車。
行忙來。
行忙來 ，OK， 行忙就是還沒來 ，it has not arrived yet。然後垃圾車，剛剛垃圾已經講了是垃圾，那車就是
再加一個茶，垃圾茶，
不是要喝垃圾茶哦，是要這垃圾車來咯。OK， 垃圾茶 that is the garbage truck and no hurries OK， 但是當然你就會又擔心了，
可是如果垃圾車跑掉怎麼辦？
垃圾就要放在家裡多一天了，對不對？
那又臭一天哦。
What if the garbage truck leaves? That is Alice's response. 如果車子跑掉了怎麼辦？
那黑茶只有踢起嘞。
那黑茶只有踢起嘞。
用嘎撒。
用嘎撒，你有點生氣咯。用嘎撒應該就是怎麼辦？
對啊，那黑茶只有踢起，用嘎撒。
You see the emphasis on 用嘎撒 that actually means what should we do or 怎麼辦? Alright, let's review some of these phrases and I'm sure this is going to be very helpful, such as the garbage or trash, 垃圾
垃圾
垃圾 and if it's the garbage truck, 垃圾車
垃圾茶
垃圾茶 and finally, what should I do or 怎麼辦?
用嘎撒
用嘎撒 Okay, and this whole month, it's all about the phrase help, 幫忙
天數
天數 And that does it for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
漢字寫張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.